We can't actually go up to the edge of the crater because it erupted 10 or 11 days ago. So we've got a little bit of an interruption here. Just starts smoking.
This is the greatest day of my life.
Wow. 2:15. Guys, we've got to stop meeting like this. Third day in a row with a very early wake up call. Yesterday was 4:30, the day before that was 11:30. Today we're up at 2. Good morning everybody, it's Max and Kim. Today it is going to be Mount Bromo. Then hopefully today, if we're lucky, we'll see some whale sharks. Yeah. Ready to go. Mount Bromo, here we come.
Looking down the ground, dust shadows make no sound. A game of hide and seek. Where do I go from here?
Good morning my dudes. It is just past 4 AM. We're starting the hike up now to King Kong Point, where apparently you can see the best view of the sunrise. It is extremely busy up here. It's the road part of the hill done. Now we start the stairs, the secret stairs.
Good morning, team.
We can finally see you. So we're just up here at King Kong Hill, which is about 15 minutes higher than the first viewpoint.
More than 15
Nah,
minutes.
it's 15. 20 minutes higher than the first
So
viewpoint.
like half an hour.
Half an hour. Once you get to the first viewpoint, you just literally have to climb up a cliff
So
and
make
then
sure
follow a dirt trail for about half an hour.
So make sure your torch actually works.
This is where we are at the moment.
There he is.
Oh, hi there. But that sunrise is starting to look pretty good. So it is here, sunrise, watching Bromo. Kim's busy trying to draw a moustache. For an Instagram story. Bro. It does get pretty busy here though, guys. Let's play Spot the Tourist. Ooh, I spot a herd of wild tourists up there.
Pretty cold up here. I've got a thermal on and some skins and a big jacket and I'm still cold.
She's onion girl. All her layers. Yeah, make sure you bring lots of layers. I mean, I'm out here in my sporty cash. It's a little bit chilly for me.
The walk up is really hot because you get hot and sweaty because you're exercising. But once you sit down and actually wait for the sun to come up, you get quite cold. We just need all the cloud to move from there. It can come like this way.
Just blow it.
It's almost my birthday. I'll practice blowing my candle. We got the wrong Bromo. It was covered. We couldn't see it. We thought it was the other mountain. It's not. It's still covered.
Too many bros with mows hanging around.
Yeah.
You can't even point out the big one now either because everything's covered. Okay, yeah, we thought it was there, it's actually here. No, there's no proof. I've been growing this for 24 years.
Hey, Bromo. It's the only Bromo we're gonna see today.
We need more sleep. Get a selfie with Bromo here.
We waited as long as we can. We only have 10 minutes to get back down, but the sun's still behind the clouds, so it's just not getting warm enough for the fog to move. So we get no Bromo.
That's just traveling though. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you see a really cool sight. Sometimes you have to come back next year. It's 6:20 and the guy said be back at the car at 6:30. And we got to walk all the way down. We'll show you what we had to climb up in the dark. Kim's torch didn't really work at all. Moderate level of fitness. Parkour central. Jaddy, Jaddy! Not Jalan, Jalan, that's walking. Gotta get back to the car or we get left here. Which wouldn't be too bad actually, in the sense that we're stuck at Bromo so we could see it, it'd be amazing. But it would be really bad in the fact we're really far away from our Airbnb, have none of our stuff and have no idea how to get home. Ah! The only flat part, right on the edge.
Pan up to Bromo.
6:30 now, we're not even close to being back down at the first viewpoint. Hopefully our driver is still there when we get to the bottom. Just down there is the first viewpoint, Suruni viewpoint. So this is what you have to climb up in the dark from the first viewpoint to get up to King Kong Hill. Oh hey there.
Hello. Why did we do this?
You made it up this in the dark?
Apparently.
Pretty cool eh?
Amazing.
So you can just see the outline of Bromo. Just there.
Over there. At least we saw it.
Yeah, count. So leading up to the first viewpoint here, you have all of these stairs. It's actually really nice, really easy to come up to this part. There's not any lighting on the stairs, but it is really easy to walk up. If you want to, you can get a ride up on a horse. And the word for horse in Bahasa Indonesia is kuda. Jaran. Onion girl's hair getting pretty hot.
If you want a bit of cardio, make sure you stay up the mountain too long and then need to run back.
Quick car change. and then we're off to the village. So here we are.
I don't know where we are, but we're here.
So we think this is the village before you get to the Sea of Sand. I stand corrected, this is actually the Sea of Sand. So there's Bromo behind us that you can see smoking. We can't actually go up to the edge of the crater because it erupted 10 or 11 days ago.
Son.
Here is where you would normally enter the walk up to the crater. Then you can see the stairs go up there. But because it's erupted 10 or 11 days ago, they've actually blocked it off. Not allowed within 1 kilometer from the crater. Please obey the rules. Damn, looks like this is as close as we're gonna get. We've got a little bit of an eruption here. Just starts smoking. But yeah, check that out. Still so beautiful. I'm just gutted that we can't actually get any shots of the actual crater.
We really wanted to get them this morning when we were up the top, but it was just so cloudy.
So we'll have to put this on the list of things to come back and do.
Also, if you don't want to go hike up that other big mountain, there's one right here that you can go up.
What's this place called? Sunrise Trek? It's a sunrise spot there that's apparently really good. So you could just walk there yourself. That would save you having to walk up that other giant mountain.
Yeah.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
Although the other one has stairs and a really cool viewpoint, so
true.
Might be worth it. But this one's right by the crater, so I think it'd be really, really cool.
It's only 20 past 8 and we've been late for 2 rides already today. We're meant to be there 5 minutes ago. We've still got to cross the entire sea of tourists. I don't feel like running again though.
Yeah.
We'll just take a nice leisurely stroll there.
Yeah, that's the bad thing about taking a tour. I mean, they just want to get us back to a hotel. We're not doing anything the rest of the day.
Except swimming with whale sharks.
Maybe, hopefully.
So it would be a lot cooler if maybe you could just get a private driver and not do it on a tour, because then you could just be on your own time.
6 hours later.
We made it here to the whale shark place.
Pantai Binta.
Pantai Binta. We're gonna see if we can take a boat out and get some whale sharks. We're here with Addie again. We're told the odds of seeing it are probably 50-50.
From January to March, and we're in April.
Yeah, so we're April, so the odds are probably quite low. We're here with Mel. Firo. Mel and Firo. Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Sama-sama.
To actually swim with the whale sharks, you have to rent the entire boat. To rent the entire boat costs 600,000 rupiah.
Yeah. But just to go and see them, it's only going to cost 15,000 each. So we're going to do that.
We're just hanging out on the boat with our new friends.
It's my favorite kind of trip.
Alright guys, that is the vlog. We hope you enjoyed going up Mount Bromo and then also going to visit the whale sharks here in Probolinggo.
Probolinggo!
If you like these kind of travel videos, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face, tap the button for me.
And then click the bell.
Leave a comment as well.
Terima kasih!
Tomorrow we go to Malang and we're going to visit the colourful village.
And the blue village.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that one. That one's going to be amazing as well. Other than that, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
You found the whale shark?
Yeah! This thing's just sticking out right here of us. Oh my goodness! This is the greatest day of my life!